They were actually.
I heard them yesterday.
I love this guy flying. It's really a joy to watch, a pleasure, my pleasure, everybody's pleasure. Look at that. Extreme Flight Extra, the name of the pilot again? Look, it doesn't get better than that, does it? Thomas? Tom Thomas.
Yeah.
So good.
I'll show you a black car he's 10 years old.
And don't forget, look, he can put his tail in the grass. He did it yesterday for us. Extreme Flight Extra. And he's so good. Thomas, don't forget, you've got a long flight line. Copy me? Alright, Danny, tell him.
Yeah.
So, what we'll do is we'll say thank you very much to everybody. And I'll give you a break from my voice. We can have a quiet 25 minutes now. Touching but not and we'll say thank you very much for your time. And do have a wander around, everybody, see what's going on. If you want to one in looking in the camera. Here we are. What about that? It's called talent. Look at the bootful of rudder he's got on that. You see, Pat, this is the trouble with this. You get talking up here, and such beautiful flyers come on. I think you're going to put yours up, and I'm going to sit here again, aren't I? Right, thanks ever so much. Well, I hope you're enjoying what you're watching, everybody. Just sit down and relax, all right? I was going to say, have a lollipop, but my lad is already getting it. We're switching off for 25 minutes. Okay, Tony? Thank you, sir. You enjoy the rest of the break for 25 minutes. We'll be seeing you shortly. Bye.
Yeah.
Thanks for your time.
Yeah, but the second night, it's 5 minutes. But I've talked to one of the guys that own the company.
Yeah.
You know, the guys fly or whatever. And I said, and they have a bus, and he said, he's busted three in the last 2 weeks.
Yeah.
So, you know, practicing.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
So you see all that on the bag.
Yeah.
But back at home, we could have gone wrong and just smacked it.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's a lot.
Yeah, he hadn't moved the thing on. Now it's just on a straight line. So it's got 37 indeed.
But I was up at the, well, I wasn't there last year, but at the indoor national.
Yeah. Yeah.
And they got these new models out. Hollowed out, milled out. £50 all milled out from the fruit and 1 mil. So what is that?
Yeah.
He said to him, he said, what happened to it with the war? Yeah, you're going to have to get the other stuff too. That fix, haven't you? Yeah. Hard to do.
Yeah.
Still that one manoeuvre, though, when I keep saying it, when I do it, I actually wonder. Not that.
Like you see him with the
When you do, he hasn't done it yet, you do a flat turn, yeah, and do flat.
yeah.
You start here, and you go a quarter of a revolution,
Yeah.
quarter of a turn. And by the time you get to there, you go
Yeah.
off, and then 3
Oh,
quarters.
right, yeah.
Yeah. When I can do that, I'll go out.
I'll tell you what, they were doing.
Oh, they
Yes, stuff like rolling, surfing.
yeah, but that's it. It's doing one rolling circle.
One roll around the whole circle.
I can roll it round and round all day, but doing one roll, one circle. And then they do it that way. They go up and do it over the top.
Yeah.
And you go, oh, look.
Yeah, I saw some. Yeah,
Oh,
he was here yesterday actually.
well, not you, how quick.
Yesterday.
Well,
He was way up.
he ain't going up. I've seen that thing. Oh,
I see some flying yesterday. when they were doing rolling circles, round rolling circles.
So that, you know the two that was flying earlier?
Yeah.
Ollie Wicker and the one, the fast one. The little electric fast one.
Yeah, yeah.
And then the pylon
Yeah.
one, yeah? Well, I think Bardo's flying the one, because Ali's Dinsky was flying the one. But I don't think he's here now, he's over in America. So it might have been Bardo flying it. But I watched him with his mate at the indoors one year, and he was sitting there with his mate on the chair.
Yeah.
And he was hovering round and round like that, and his mate was doing rolling circles round him.
Yeah.
And he went, my turn, and he went into the middle, and the other one went rolling round, and then he went back the other way.